In a quiet village where the sun always seemed to shine brightly, a young boy named Tommy had a big dream. For as long as he could remember, Tommy had wanted a dog. He imagined all the fun adventures they would have, the games of fetch, the long walks, and the laughter that would fill the air. One sunny Saturday morning, Tommy's father, noticing his son's passion, suggested they visit the local animal shelter. Tommy's eyes widened with excitement, and soon they were on their way. At the shelter, rows of wagging tails and friendly barks greeted them. It was there that Tommy met Buddy, a small, scruffy dog with a wagging tail and twinkling eyes. The moment their eyes met, Tommy knew he had found his true friend. Tommy quickly brought Buddy home, and thus began their adventure of a lifetime. The first days were filled with joy and discovery. Buddy, eager to please, soon learned to sit, stay, and fetch. Every afternoon, their laughter could be heard in the backyard, a testament to their growing bond. As summer gave way to autumn, the first day of school arrived. Tommy felt a twinge of anxiety, something every child feels when starting something new. But this time, he had Buddy by his side. Carrying Buddy in a little basket, Tommy felt a surge of confidence. In class, Tommy's teacher shared a story about friendship and the special bonds between humans and their canine companions. Being inspired, Tommy stood up and shared his story of how Buddy had become his best friend and what it meant to him. Later, on the playground, a challenge awaited Tommy. Fear bubbled up, but remembering Buddy's unwavering courage, he took a deep breath and embraced the challenge head-on, winning the day with newfound bravery. After school, Tommy and Buddy strolled around the village. With Buddy by his side, Tommy felt bolder, and they met many neighbors, who were all charmed by his enthusiastic furry friend. Not long after, Tommy and Buddy noticed a group of children trying to solve a problem. Eager to help, Tommy and Buddy jumped in to assist. Together with their new friends, they cleaned up the local park, making it a more beautiful place for everyone to enjoy. The collaborative effort forged strong friendships, and Buddy quickly became a village hero, symbolizing the power of teamwork and sharing. The excitement didn't end there. One day, a friendly competition was announced, and Tommy, inspired by Buddy's energy, gathered a team. They devised a fantastic plan to excel in the competition, all while encouraging a spirit of togetherness and fun. The day ended with a resounding success, but more importantly, it was a journey that brought everyone closer. The villagers decided to celebrate this newfound sense of community with a small festival. Around the bonfire, with Buddy proudly wagging his tail, they honored the true spirit of friendship that had uplifted the village. Tommy learned an important lesson: true friendship means support and help in difficult times, and we can find great joy in helping others. From that day on, Tommy and Buddy were not just best friends, they were symbols of unity and kindness in their beloved village.